sold my Project Jeep Fungus. For those of you that are new to my channel, I'm all about Jeep repairs and maintenance, helping you guys out. And I picked up a Jeep that I called Fungus very appropriately because I could see past the fungus and fingernails inside of the Jeep to see that it had really good potential. So let's take a look at what I invested into it, what I put into it, and how much I made. So like I said, Fungus was a Project Jeep that I picked up about 6 months ago, and when I went and looked at it, it was ugly. There was literally fungus, mold growing on the inside of the cab, just gross. Pine needles all over it. The paint was just all oxidized, super dirty, just an ugly looking Jeep. The seat covers on it, everything, there were fingernails in it, just dirty. But I could see past all of that, and it had a great frame on it. The body on it was really good. I could see that this could actually be a really nice looking Jeep. So I offered the guy $3,000 for it. It also came with an engine that has a spun bearing on it, so we'll get to that, and an 8.8 axle that I plan on doing an axle swap eventually. So I got those as kind of bonus items. So I picked this Jeep up for $3,000, brought it home, and started to get to work on it. The very first thing I did was I pressure washed it. We cleaned up the outside as best we could, but then we took the top off, took the seats out and everything, and we pressure washed the inside just to get rid of all the nastiness that was on the inside of that thing. Tore the carpet out and cleaned that up. Put a new carpet kit in there, which cost me around $130. Right? I need my list of prices. Okay, so the carpet kit was about 120 bucks. It was not a fancy kit, not a high-end kit. I just wanted something to put in there, look nice, that would last a little while, but it's almost like a disposable carpet kit at 120 bucks. The seat covers I got from Pick Auto, they were actually free to me, but I'm gonna include them in the cost just for you guys. They're about 35 bucks, and I've used these Pick Auto seat covers before, and I've been really happy with them. They're good quality seat covers. All of this will be linked in the description below where you guys can find it. So after we did that, we pressure washed the inside, put the new carpet in, new seat covers, that's looking really good. The next thing I did was polish the outside. The outside, like I said, the paint was all oxidized, just looked really bad. So I bought a polisher, some polish, hit it real quick and waxed it, and it came out amazing. Took all of that oxidation off, really shines now. So that was a huge improvement. The polisher that I got and the polish, all of that, I didn't have those supplies, so that ended up costing me about $130. So I'll include that in the overall price of this vehicle project. The next thing I did on it was tie rods, and the tie rods came with this Jeep free of charge because the previous owner, he knew that they were bad. He was in the process of replacing them himself, but he just couldn't get to it. So he gave me the tie rods free of charge, and so I swapped all those out, and that really helped out the steering. Steered a whole lot better, got rid of some wobble that I was getting. So that was another improvement, but that was free of charge. The next thing I was concerned about, the battery on it, it was dying. Like, this battery was not good, but I was able to resurrect it. I have a battery charger that has a recovery or pulse mode on it for battery repair, and it actually worked great. I'll link that in the description below where you can find it. So it's a really inexpensive battery charger, but also repairs batteries, and it worked awesome for me. So that saved me some money right there. Did not have to buy a new battery. And the title and registration, to get the title in my name, because anytime I buy a vehicle or sell a vehicle, I want the owner's name on there. I'm not going to buy a title third hand, I'm staying away from those deals. So I did have the title in my name. The title and registration cost about $210 total, so not bad. So that puts our grand total cost for me at $34.95. So we'll just say 3,500 bucks is everything I spent on it. So 3,500 bucks totally invested into Project Fungus. That was actually a great Jeep at a great price. So I found a little diamond in the rough there. I don't come across those a lot, but when I do, I'll snag them up when I can. So I ended up actually selling it yesterday, and honestly, it's kind of bittersweet. I miss it. That was a good Jeep.
Okay, just explain what happened.
We just rolled up to the gas station, to the pump, and I literally think we just ran out of gas. Like, it died when I'm coasting in here. Did you grab that jump starter? Oops.
What are you doing?
Making a mess. on to bigger and better things. So the guy I sold it to him for $4,800. So that puts my total profit at $1,300. So made 1,300 bucks flipping a Jeep, not bad. So leave a comment about any epic deals that you guys have found like that. I love hearing from you guys, and check out my next video right up here. Have a good day.